Welcome to HandiFox Online. In this tutorial, we'll explore the units of measure feature and how it gives you more precise control over how you purchase, stock, transfer, and sell your inventory. Whether you deal in pieces, boxes, pounds, packs, or dozens, units of measure help you track inventory accurately without constantly converting numbers manually. Let's dive in. To manage units of measure, go to Settings, Units of Measure. Here, you'll see two tabs, Units of Measure and Units of Measure Presets. The Units of Measure tab contains commonly used units, like pieces or kilograms, as well as any custom units you've created, those specific to your business, such as pairs, packs, bundles, or pallets. To create a custom unit of measure, click the plus button, select Unit of Measure, and enter its name and abbreviation. The Units of Measure Presets tab allows you to create predefined conversion rules between units for different transaction types, like purchasing, sales, transfers, or manufacturing. To create a preset, click the plus button and select Unit of Measure Preset. Let's go ahead and create one. First, name the preset. Next, define the base unit. This is the primary and smallest unit used for tracking inventory internally. If your HandiFox is connected to QuickBooks Online, the base unit must match the unit used in QuickBooks for that item. Now let's add alternative units of measure. For example, you might track beer in bottles, packs, and boxes. Let's add packs and boxes as related units of measure. For packs, there are 6 bottles per pack. For boxes, the ratio is 24 bottles per box. Now let's define which units will be used for different transactions. For example, purchase unit of measure is boxes, sales unit of measure is bottles, transfer unit of measure is boxes, and manufacturing unit of measure is bottles. Once created, these presets can be applied to items for faster setup. To assign units of measure to a product, open the item profile. You'll see a tab called Units of Measure and Barcodes. Here's how it works. Set your base unit first, then add related units. You can add up to 10 related units per item, and for each one, define the conversion ratio. You can enter this data manually or load it instantly from a preset you created earlier. And don't forget to assign barcodes for each unit. This helps HandiFox add and deduct inventory using exactly the unit of measure you need. HandiFox allows you to purchase and sell items in any configured unit of measure. If you've set a default purchase unit of measure, that's what you'll see automatically on purchase orders. However, you can still change or convert the unit directly within a transaction. Simply click the unit of measure abbreviation next to the quantity and choose whether to convert or switch units. When receiving inventory, you can scan items in different units. For example, if you ordered 1 box equal to 24 bottles, you can scan each bottle individually. HandiFox will automatically convert and reconcile the quantities based on your conversion ratio. Note that during inventory counting sessions, items are displayed in their base unit for consistency. Units of measure can also be configured in the iOS and Android apps. When creating or editing an item, go to the Units of Measure and Barcodes section to set base unit, related units, and default units. You can also load presets created in the web app. While creating purchase or sales transactions on mobile, you can convert units. To convert, tap on the product, tap the Unit of Measure field, then tap the downward arrow and choose how you want it to be converted. And that's it. With Units of Measure and HandiFox Online, you can purchase in bulk, sell in smaller quantities, transfer efficiently, and eliminate manual conversions, all while maintaining accurate inventory tracking. To learn more, explore our onboarding playlist on YouTube or visit handifox.com to start your free trial.